Carol, they're almost here. We gotta hurry. Let's go. Come on.
Can I bring all of these?
No, there's not going to be room for all of them. You have to pick your favorite one.
But I can't decide. Why can't I bring all of them?
I don't have time to explain. We need to go now.
Let's go, Carol. Is Ashton ready?
Yes, Ashton's ready. Follow that van.
So, are you going to tell me where my money is? Or am I going to have to find out myself? I don't like voting, you know? These things are so messy. They are not good for me.
You know I don't have it. It's all tied up in my cafe. I'll give it to you soon, I promise.
Like I haven't heard that one before. Since I'm such a nice guy, I'll give you 24 more hours. Go!
Dude, get up, you're gonna be late again.
Welcome to Phoenix, where the only thing you enjoy is the beautiful sunsets. Not to ruin your day, but they only happen because of the horrid pollution. I was sent to this dump by my not-so-loving parents with no advice. I was going to attend USC with all my other hoping to become frat boy friends, but no, my parents wanted me as far away from California and them as possible. Thanks. We now make our next stop at Black Cat Coffee Shop, the only place I found that I can make a decent amount of money. This is my boss, Mr. Carter. He's cool and really the only one who cares for me here since my parents don't even think I exist. And that's me, your average frat boy who just wants to find a place in this screwed up world. And this is Ryan Wilson. I've had the biggest crush on her since freshman year. We've had a lot of classes together, but I've been stuck in the friend zone for as long as I can remember. She has had a boyfriend forever and recently broke up with him. I know she likes me, but she's not going to ask me. I have to ask her. Building up the courage to ask out a girl as beautiful and as kind as she isn't as easy as it looks. Believe me, I've tried countless times to ask her, but I just couldn't. Today is the day I make my move.
Ashton. Yeah. I gotta grab something in the back. Hold on.
Boss, I just saw something that doesn't make sense. I have the shop, and the rat's kid is here.
What rat?
The accountant's kid.
No, it can't be. They supposedly died. Are you sure? You know what to do.
Mr. Carter, I needed to ask you. You've been acting strange a lot. Is something going on?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I mean, really, something's not right. What's wrong?
It doesn't concern you, so I appreciate it. Just stop asking questions, okay? Ashton! Ashton, run! There's a bomb! Go!
Take that off him. Sorry for the brutality, my friend. Welcome to my home.
Where am I? Who are you?
I'm an old family friend with some unfinished business to take care of. You are here because your parents are dirty, snitching rats. My boss trusted them with his money, but they snitched him out to the feds, and now he's serving prison time for 12 years.
What do I have to do with any of this?
That's my point, Ashton. We need your parents here to settle this issue. We want to end them. Just like Mr. Carter's business. We gave him money and he chose not to pay us back. So let's just say he's expired.
My parents and I don't even talk. I haven't seen them in 3 years. Maybe they'll show up for graduation, but I doubt it.
Oh, so sorry to hear that. Sometimes families have very difficult issues to work through. But maybe if you were in the hospital, they'd come to see you.
No, they wouldn't. They're too caught up with their own lives. My dad would always tell me to just deal with it.
That's tragic, but I'm sure they will come to your funeral. This is just the nature of things. But hey, I'm not an unreasonable man. What do you want for your final meal? Pizza? Every American boy likes pizza. Get him what he wants. Make it special. This will end the boy and bring the parents to us. It won't be messy. You know what to do.
Bon appetit.
Hey, what's wrong? Is everything alright? Where have you been? Dude, I saw on the news this morning that the coffee shop blew up. The cops have been here all morning looking for you.
They blew up the place, they killed Carter, they kidnapped me. Now they want to kill me and my parents.
Dude, what are you talking about? Hey, who's they? You serious right now? Do you need to see a doctor or something? We need to call the cops.
No, we can't. That's what they want.
Who's they?
The Russians, some gangster-looking guys.
The Russian mafia? Man, this is Arizona.
It all makes sense now. I had to pack up when I was a kid and I had to leave all my stuff behind. It's because we've been hiding for them. We can't go to the cops. Just please give me some time.
Are you tripping? Did you take something? Or hit your head? Fine, dude. It's just your deal. I'm going to my girl's place.
Open up. It's the police. I'm looking for Ashton Wells.
He's not here.
Son, I need to see who you are. Are you Ashton?
Yeah.
I'm Detective Demetrio. We've been looking for you all night. I have some questions for you to answer. May I please come in?
Yeah.
Were you there when Mr. Carter's coffee shop exploded?
No, I didn't know that it did until now.
So that means you don't know Mr. Carter's dead? Well, where were you at about 6:30 if you weren't with Mr. Carter?
I was here. I have a history paper due tomorrow, so Mr. Carter let me go early so I could work on it.
So how do you explain the video footage of you running from the coffee shop after it exploded? And how do you explain the man putting you into the trunk of his car after it all happened? And yet here you are.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Do you know the consequences of lying to the police? Do you know that you could be charged with obstruction of justice? Ashton, we're just trying to help you.
I feel like if I tell you my family could get in danger, that's how this all started.
What do you mean?
I really don't think I can say I'm sorry.
Listen, son, you need to tell me what's going on. You need to tell me who that man was that grabbed you.
They're the Russian mafia. I learned about it all this morning and I'm really just trying to process it now. It's a really long story.
I have time.
There's the Russian guy, and I was a little bit confused, but I figured it wasn't Mr. Carter's coffee shop at this point. And he goes,
Don't worry, Ashton. You are dealing with things the FBI can barely handle. You are safe with us. But I do have a plan. You are the only one who can do it because they know all of our undercover officers. Are you up for it? Here's the plan. Mobsters.
You had me waiting there for half an hour. Where were you? It took you so long to finally ask me out, and then you stood me up. And then I get home and see that the coffee shop blew up, and I thought you were gone. Oh, I'm sorry. I see you're busy.
No, wait, I can explain. I promise.
Oh, go ahead.
Excuse me, miss. You need to leave. We are in the middle of something important.
Wait. I promise I'll make it up to you. Please, just give me some time.
Ashton, here's my card. Call me when everything is set in motion.
I don't know if I can do this. These guys want me dead, and if you can't stop them, what makes you think I can?
Ashton, do it for your parents. These guys will never stop now. They know your family is alive. It's all up to you. You can end this.
Don't make a scene here.
Look, I'm sorry for what my dad did to you guys, but that was a long time ago, and I don't want my family getting hurt. Is there any way we can get out of this without anyone getting killed?
At this point, we are way past negotiations. Payment is overdue. I mean, how would it look if I let this slide? I have a reputation, you know.
This was a mistake. You'll never see me again.
Ashton, this does not need to be painful for you. But you know, the apple didn't fall far from the tree, and we need to take precautions. Anyway, I love my freedom too much to let you live.
How are you planning to kill me?
You don't need to know such things.
That's it. We got it. Let's roll.
Really? You are just as much of a rat as your father. This isn't over.
Well, you know, it's just the nature of things.
Very good, little boy.
That's enough. Let's go, scumbag.
You did great, Ashton. We got it all on tape. You can bet those guys will be going to jail for quite some time. You know, you got a knack for this. You should consider joining the force after you graduate.
Thanks, I'll consider it. But first I need some rest. This has been the longest 72 hours of my life. Then I have to call my parents and apologize, and I have a hot breakfast date.
Yeah, right. The cute fireball from yesterday. She'll forgive you. She really likes you a lot. A woman can tell these things. Thanks, Ashton, for your help. Officer Casey will take you home now.
Thank you.
Hey man, you okay? I saw the news. Sorry to leave you earlier. Last night, I got back to the room and it was open and trashed. You gotta give me the details about what happened. All my stuff's still here. You might want to check yours though.
Yeah, man, I'll explain later, but right now I have a... Hello? Hey, Ryan. Yeah, I can't wait to see you either. I have a lot to tell you. Yeah, I'll see you in 5. See ya.
Is that Ryan Wilson?
Yeah.
Finally, man.
Hello, you've reached the Wells residence. Please leave us a message, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Make it a great day.
Hey Mom, hey Dad, it's Ashton. I understand a lot of things now that I didn't before, and I just want to let you guys know that I'm coming home this weekend. I have someone that I want you to meet, and I really can't wait to see you. I love you both. Bye.
She saw what happened. Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Yeah, I just couldn't explain. Can you believe it?
Oh, so sorry. I'm clumsy. The nature.
Ashton! Ashton! No! Oh my god! Ashton! No! Oh my god! Somebody help me! Anyone, please! Ah!
Have you got color in your cheeks? Do you ever get that feel that you can't shift, the type that sticks around like summits in your teeth? Are there some aces up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Have to see you go. Sorta hoping that you'd stay, and we both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you, never thought I'd calling when you love you, cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy being lost to fall for somebody new. Now I'm crawling back to you. So have you got the goods? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it should. Simmer down and poker up. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the coast. I've tried to kiss you. I don't know if you feel the same. as I do. But we could be together if you wanted to. I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways. Sad to see you go. Was sorta hoping that you'd stay, and we both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you, every thought I've come when you better feel, cause I always do. Maybe I'm too, is it even wrong to fall for somebody new? Now I thought it through, crawling back to you. If this feeling flows both ways.